Gotta run. I think. I'm not even 100% sure. Oh, yep, there it is.
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southern King County in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 a.m. At 8:24 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated nearly stationary thunderstorms producing rain rates of 1 to 2 inches of rain per hour. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen near St. Charles. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Batavia, and Geneva. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI.